Hi again, this is Aya, and congratulations on your purchase of the Sushi Maker Deluxe. This is the first of 3 exclusive video tutorials where I will teach you how to make the perfect roll of sushi. So you've just opened your box and you should have 11 pieces sitting there. Don't worry, I'm going to talk you through everything and it will all make sense. We're going to start with our bases first. So these larger flat bottom pieces are the bases. There are 3 of them. Here we have heart-shaped, round, and square, maki. Next are the frames. We have 2 frames. The bigger one goes on the bigger pieces, like so, and the smaller on the smaller piece, like this. Pretty straightforward. And then we're going to move on to the tops. So we have 2 tops here. This one is round and this one is heart-shaped. Pretty straightforward as well. And this will fit in to the frame like so, once all of your pieces are inside. Finally, the rod. So the rod's going to be really handy when you start to put your ingredients into the sushi, as you can pack in the rice to make a little groove to lay them out flat and very clean. It also doubles as the top for the maki to press down everything that you have in here to get a nice firm solid roll. And these are some amazing pieces that you'll probably find many uses for beyond this. These are non-stick rice spreader and rice spatula. So the spatula is going to help you get the rice out of the rice cooker or the pan, and the rice spreader will help you spread the rice without getting it all over your fingers. Rice is super sticky, so this will make the whole process just that much more pleasant for you. And last but not least, professional grade Japanese sushi knife, complete with little holes that help you get a super clean cut. Be very careful with this. And there you have it. Now I think we're ready for the next video where I'll teach you how to make the heart-shaped roll. Stay tuned.